German strategy had proved fruitless. A defeat stared them in the face. Some of the frustrated German players then resorted to a rough game. The German goalkeeper pounced on Danchan and hurt him. But Danchan was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. At last, he scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. The Indian team had won third time in a row. It was a hat trick. Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal. The German strategy had proved fruitless, means producing no useful results. So a defeat stared them in the face. Some frustrated German players started the act of unpleasant game. The German goalkeeper moved suddenly on Dhyanchan and hurt him, but Dhyanchan was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he returned to the field. He scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. The Indian team had won third time in a row. It was a hat trick. Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medals. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, he was impressed by Dhyanchand's game. It is said that the German dictator had offered Dhyanchand a higher salary and rank in the German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. But Dhyanchan turned down the offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyanchan. Before the match was over, Hitler had left the stadium, but he was impressed by Dhyanchand's game. The German dictator had offered a higher salary, but Dhyanchan not accepted the offer. Then Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyanchan. You may be aware that hockey is our national sport. Major Dhyanchand's birthday, August 29, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyanchand. Who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyanchand further and win great glory for our country. 29 August is celebrated as National Sports Day in India because Major Dhyanchand's birthday is on this day. Legacy means something done earlier or left behind by someone. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyanchand. The lifeless hockey stick used to come alive in the hands of Dhyanchan. When he dribbled, the ball just wouldn't leave his stick. Some people even stole his sticks and broke them open to see whether they contained a special glue or magnet. Dhyanchan was even made to play with other ordinary sticks, but even then, his play was as charismatic as ever. Dhyanchand's real name was Dhyan Singh. He was a soldier in the Indian Army. He couldn't practice his game during the day because he used to be busy on his duty as a soldier. That is why he used to practice at night in moonlight. It is believed that his coach fondly began to call him Dhyanchan. Chand means moon. The name stayed with him.